Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I will go for unboxing along with an overview of, well, the device. So let's pop it out. Obviously nothing in here, just a box. Here we got paperwork. You know what, I don't even want to open this. So yeah, paperwork. Then we get the phone itself. Let's just take it out. We have, wow, we actually have headphone jack. It looks like, yep, there's a headphone jack. So we do have also headphones for this. Now the headphones itself look like absolute garbage. So probably if you have just any kind of respectable earphones or maybe some actual normal like headphones, then use those instead of this. This looks like it's the purest form of garbage. Then we have Type C to Type A USB for charging the phone, and the charger itself, which is most likely 25 watts. Let's see. Oh no, it's 15 watts. Nice. Nice. We get a 15 watt charger, boys, so absolute quality here. Okay, let's pop the phone open. So let's actually look at this. So we have rugged design, which means literally nothing. I would have used profanity for this one because it would be more fitting, but yeah, these don't really matter much. Rugged, wow, whoop-de-doo. Now we also do have something that does matter, which is an IP68, meaning that it's water and dust resistant. I believe it's up to like a couple of meters of water. So that's at least nice. The design of the phone actually doesn't really scream rugged, to be honest. It looks kind of normal almost, with a little bit more bulk to it. Max out the brightness. So yeah, this... Let me change the wallpaper, maybe that will make the screen be a little bit more visible. My wallpapers, let's see what we got here. Anything colorful? Yeah, there we go. So set as home, and the other one. Yep, set it. And there we go. So now you can see the actual entire screen. And obviously you can see that it does have a little bit of a lip around of this plastic. And I guess that is to protect the screen when you just drop it like this and decides to move it around. It's gonna protect the screen from being scratched out. So I guess that's nice. Other than that, the phone actually looks fairly normal, I would say. Apart from this. Oh, no way. No way. This is supposed to be water resistant? I'm confused. Oh, okay. Wow, so their apparently water resistance is based solely on this little seal right here. That's terrible. Yeah, that's awful. So yeah, once actually water passes this, which probably will be at any significant or insignificant water depth of like meter or even less, yeah, your phone is fried then. So yeah, I probably would not submerge this device, even though it says IP68. Yeah, don't do it. I don't think it's gonna handle water too well. So there's also a key on the top. What the heck is this for? What is this? Oh, okay. So we have a little button for a flashlight. Neato. I kind of like this, to be honest. But yeah, actually, let's go into the specs of this device. So starting off with the screen, we have a 1080p by 2340 pixels. 6.3 inch display, and that is an IPS LCD that has a 79.4% screen to body ratio, 409 pixels per inch with Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. Now disregard this, if you can see there is already a screen protection applied to it. That does not actually come with the device, just putting that out there. It will have no protection apart from the Gorilla Glass that is normally part of the display itself. Okay. And then moving on to the cameras, at the back we have dual camera setup on the back. We have a 25 megapixel and 8 megapixel. So 25 is a wide sensor while the 8 megapixel is an ultra wide, and with those you can shoot at 1080p 30 frames. Nothing really special here, it's supposed to be a regular phone, not a good phone. And on the front we have a 13 megapixel, again wide sensor, 1080p 30 frames. Again, nothing special here. And when it comes down to additional specs of it, we have a Exynos 9611. I personally hate Exynoses. It's especially in their like S20 lineups and 21, basically all their premium flagships. Where I'm from Europe, so I get the trashier Exynos, while people in the US get the actual decent Snapdragons. So yeah, thanks Samsung. I hate your processors. At least the in-house ones. The Snapdragons are fine. The Exynos are not, especially I think this one. This one was their previous one, which, yeah, it's absolute garbage when it's compared to Snapdragon. Now, additionally, this device, and basically every other one, that is the supposedly Galaxy XCover Pro, has a 64 gig storage and 4 gigabytes RAM with 4050 mAh battery and 15 watt charging. At least that's the max charging that can charge the phone itself. So honestly, for something that comes with a Pro name on it, this provides no Pro aspects of the device. There is no AMOLED display, no actual like decent water resistance. We have a headphone jack, but that doesn't make it Pro, that just makes it, well, I don't know what it makes it. I would have said dated, but that's a feature, I guess. So yeah, we have a headphone jack, which is a nice thing. We have a flashlight toggle, so I guess that's kind of neat. I don't mind that one. But other than that, the device doesn't really come with anything that I would consider to be Pro. It's rugged, which is not a good thing. Rugged phones aren't necessarily the best thing. If you consider the fact that rugged device is rugged for impacts, but the phone with a case will basically withstand as much as this one, and the benefit of it is case costs $5 and you can replace it when it's damaged. This one, the phone is the case and it costs about $400. Yeah, that's gonna be an expensive case here. So yeah, rugged phones mean nothing. And honestly, for a Pro, something that is supposed to be professional, I don't know who it's catering to as a professional in this case. And I know it's just a naming scheme, I'm kind of taking a jab at it, because honestly this device provides nothing that I see value in. Cameras are trash, the display is trash, the charging is trash, the build quality, I guess it's trash too. At least the back cover is completely plastic, pops off like we're back in, what is it, 2011. So yeah, I don't really have anything positive about this device. It's running a Exynos processor, doesn't have any kind of high refresh rate. To be fair, it was released in 2020, but still, in 2020 there are better devices than this. And if this device still costs about $400, stay away from it. That's basically what I would have to say, and find just anything that is better. It doesn't even need to be rugged. As long as you put a case on your phone, it's going to be rugged, with the benefit of you being able to change the cases when you get bored or when it gets damaged. So yeah, that being said, don't recommend this. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.